Welcome to the PowerDolphin community, where you can explore infinite possibilities on the water. Here's what's included in the box. The PowerDolphin comes equipped with a motorized 4K camera, 2 antennas, a battery compartment, a micro SD card, a power button, bait and tow hook, 2 thrusters, and a threaded mount for the Power Seeker sonar module. Next, the charger and removable battery. The remote controller features 2 antennas, a mobile device holder, and provides primary control over the Dolphin. Easy one-touch buttons allow you to power up the RC, activate the bait and tow hook release mechanism, switch intelligent modes, trigger the return to home feature, and a button to unlock the motors. Buttons on top of the remote provide additional controls for the camera. The PowerDolphin Wizard bundle also includes some additional accessories. A bait dropper. This accessory attaches to the PowerDolphin, allowing you to remotely activate a bait feeder from your remote controller. We will also find the Power Seeker. This accessory attaches to the bottom of PowerDolphin and provides real-time fish finding data. Other accessories include a micro SD card, USB cables for charging, a carrying case, an extra propeller, and safety manuals. PowerDolphin. See above, see below.